In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert comment and note in Excel. To get started, open your Excel spreadsheet and go to the worksheet where you want to add your comment. Comments in Excel are useful when you want to leave feedback, ask a question, or start a conversation directly inside a cell without changing the actual data. This makes collaboration much easier, especially when multiple people are reviewing the same file. Once your spreadsheet is open, find the specific cell where you want to begin the conversation. This should be the cell connected to the information you want to discuss, so the comment stays clear and relevant. When you have found the right cell, right-click on it to open the shortcut menu. From that pop-up menu, click New Comment. As soon as you do that, a comment box will appear next to the cell. This is where you can type the message you want others to see. Keep your message short and specific, so anyone reviewing the spreadsheet can immediately understand what the comment refers to. For example, you might point out a value that needs to be checked or ask for clarification about the data in that cell. If needed, you can also tag a colleague in the comment. To do that, type the @ symbol followed by their name. Excel may recognize the person and allow you to mention them directly. When you tag someone this way, it can send them a notification so they know they have been mentioned in the workbook. This is optional, but it is a helpful feature when you want to draw someone's attention to a specific item quickly. After you finish typing your message, save the comment by clicking the Post button. In many versions of Excel, this appears as a green paper airplane icon. You can also press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard as a shortcut to post it. Once it is posted, the comment will remain attached to that cell, making it easy for others to review and respond. That is the full process for inserting a comment in Excel. Just open the spreadsheet, right-click the cell, choose New Comment, type your message, optionally tag someone, and then post it. It is a simple feature, but it can make communication inside your workbook much more organized and efficient. That covers everything you need to know.